Hi guys, you're watching TechShots. In this video we are looking at Lineage OS 20 based on Android 13 for Poco F1. Watch full video as installation guide is at end of the video. Link for custom ROM, firmware and TWRP recovery in the description. Lineage OS 20 is stable and good to use as daily driver. Step 1, boot into TWRP recovery. Step 2, go into wipe. Next, advanced wipe and select Alvic, cache, system, system ext, vendor, data, and then swipe to wipe. Step 3, go into install. First select firmware, then add the custom ROM zip, then swipe to install. Click on Reboot. We have successfully installed Lineage OS 20 on Poco F1. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos on Poco F1.